everyone, so today I'm going to do a requested hairstyle. I'm putting my hair in crochet Senegalese twist, and of course I'm going to need my mirror because I don't have eyes behind my back but I do tell my children I have eyes behind my back. But let's get started with this style. So I'm going to expose 3 flat twists from the sides of my hair, and what I'm doing is I just separated that side of my hair that I'm going to be exposing and not putting crochet in. And what I'm going to do is I'm pretty much going to create like a triangular shape or something of that sort. Once I've created the part, I will be moisturizing my hair because this style is going to be worn for 3 weeks. So I'm using the Plentiful styler and I'm putting that all over my hair, and I'm detangling my hair really well because I don't want to have tangles while I'm flat twisting. Why did I choose to flat twist? Well, because it's easier for me to flat twist my hair. Cornrows, I'm tender-headed. Cornrows just give me a pain. So flat twisting, you can do flat twist, you can do connected braids, you can do connected threading, anything you want. So I'll repeat that action for the other 2 parts, and this is what it looks like. So for the rest of the hair, nobody's gonna see this one, so you don't have to be fancy. So just flat twist or cornrow your hair going from the front to the back and twist the rest of your hair, and that is about it. So when you're done with it, this is what it looks like. I try to make them big and close together. The white stuff you see is just the moisturizer. And I also try to make the part that is gonna have crochet a bit loose. So the ends of my hair, I'm just twisting the hair and then I'm tucking it into the flat twisted section. You can thread your hair up and secure it the way you want to. Some people use bobby pins, it's up to you. But once you do that, this is what it's going to look like. So to do this style, I'm using Anytime Senegalese loop twist, which I bought from the beauty supply store. I think I paid $6.99 each for it, and I'm only using 2 strands, 2 packages, of course, which is yeah. Anyway, I love the way this is. It comes in this angle thing, and the loop is very easy to separate, and the ends of the hair is really tapered. So you're gonna need crochet stick, a crochet needle, and when you put it through your hair, be very careful, don't pull out your hair. And once you get started, it gets really easy. So you connect the crochet in there and then you pull it through your hair going underneath, and then what you do is you now take the loop, make sure that you make the loop a little bit bigger so that you can take the ends of the crochet twist and put that through your hair and secure it. Now try not to make it too tight, but you do want to make it secure so that your twists don't fall out when you're all around. Now it's time to do the next one. For the next one, I'm doing a finger width so that I can have an even gap in between. You don't want to do them too much because you're gonna have a lot of hair and it can be a bit heavy. This twist that I got, this crochet twist that I got, were a bit light. Now I am not putting any on my edges because I want to protect my edges. You can see how I'm doing it right there. My edges are very delicate and they can thin out very quickly, so protect your edges, people. So what we're doing is we're just putting it through the twist, through the flat twist, and then just connecting it the way we want to, and that is about it. This was so easy. It took me, I believe, 2.5 hours to do this style. So easy. I will do it again. I can see why this is so addicting, but I did enjoy doing it. So now this is what 1 pack of hair looks like. When I did this 1 pack, my husband was like, it looks good, that's it. I'm like, no baby, let's keep going. So I ended up using just 2 packs and maybe about 5 strands with it. So that's about, I want to say about 69 single Senegalese twists. So this is the style around. So let's do a spin around right now. So I wore this style on our family cruise vacation, which you can watch on DM Vlogs Live. It was so easy to maintain. It worked well in the pool, it worked well on the beach and everywhere else. So if I wanted, I could still fill in this area, but I think I like it. This is the end and this is how long it is. Nice length, I like it. And I got the inspiration to do this style from my daughter's hair, which I did her hair, and this is what our hair looks like. So if you guys don't want to put extensions, you can do it similar like this. It's very simple, something very simple. And you like your hair? Yeah. I know, and now we look almost like twins. And also Eniola did her hair like this also. But what's your sister doing?
Playing Minecraft.
She's playing Minecraft. So yeah, so we're twins, except, yeah, well, we're kind of twins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and like our video. Subscribe to our channel by clicking this button right over here, and you can feel free to watch these other videos right over here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.